What's up, guys? It's August 13th, 2024. We had a bull trend. Pretty nice day today. Daily chart, 45-minute chart. Excuse me. Here we are, closing above the EMA. Last time we closed above the EMA, it led to a leg lower. So it'll be interesting to see what tomorrow's price action looks like, if bulls can keep a gap open or do bears reverse it. 45-minute chart, we can see we're over 10-20 bars above the EMA. So that's a bull. It's not a strong bull channel, but the first pullback led to higher prices, so that falls in line with 20 bars above the EMA. First trend line break, we see a test of the recent high or higher prices. This price action is fractal, so that's a 5-minute setup. It works on the 45-minute chart as well. Big gap up. So here's that bull channel. Gap up channel, double bottom on the EMA, and today we had a gap up. So here's the price. I'm gonna be pulling it to the left like this. Bar one, and let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger. Is that better? Try and position this nicely. Okay. Bar one, gap up. Bar one is continuation for the bulls. It's a really big bull bar after a big gap up, so that's kind of telling us bulls are buying highs. Not a strong close, but it's more it has a bigger body than it does tail, so that is a trend bar. Bar two is really bad fall through. Bulls that bought the high tick with the market order are trapped. They're going to want to buy more lower. Bar three is trapping bears that shorted bar two, thinking it was going to reverse. Bar one got no follow through, but there's enough momentum to see another leg one pullback, leg two. Bar four is at leg two. Bar five, bad follow through. Bulls got stop order, bulls got filled and reverse lower. Supports down here and down here. Remember, we think of this as one big bar. Oh man, I hope the mic is on. I forgot to check. It looks like it's on, so. 6, bears get a leg lower, but it reverses higher. Testing the breakout point here. 7 is another bear bar, but it's a bad close. So we have to ask ourselves, how strong is this reversal? Bar 10, bear body, more tail, so it's a range bar with a bear close. Bar 9 is it's a range bar with no body. So travel up, travel lower, close right on its open. Not a very strong bear channel. Excuse me. Oops, about to cough. No, I didn't. Bar 10, another bear bar. But all these bear bars have really bad closes. With a really strong gap up, I think it's better to just wait to see what happens at support, or buy really small and be willing to buy lower. Yeah, I would rather just wait to buy support by a strong bull bar and a bull trend. Bar 10 looks like a strong bar, but it's not closed. Oh, excuse me. 10, 11. Bar 11 is a good bull bar, but it's not closing above bar 10's high. It is a trend bar, and we have had a gap up. It gets continuation with bar 12. It has a deep pullback. So far, there are no bull gaps. So we have bull bars, but there's no gaps open. Or there's one gap open right here. There's a gap right there. These are just visual gaps, they're not accurate to the tick. It's more just visual. So there's a gap above 3, below 5. Bar 13, strong sell off, but look at the close. I was watching that bar and it kind of raced, but it stopped right above the EMA. So bulls were willing to buy. They weren't really waiting, they were pretty eager to buy. And it closes it closes around the 50% level, so of its range. So if this was its own range, it closes just below the 50% level. Okay, so see right here, that's 50%. Bar 10, so excuse me, bar 13. There's a bull leg here, closing on its highs. Market's more sideways than up now. Bar 15, starting to break out of this range. Bar 16 is another strong bull bar at its closing on its high. I bought that bar. Looking to see higher prices in a bull trend. Bar 10. Why do I keep going back to bar 10? Oh my gosh. Bar 15, 16, 17, bad follow through. Bar 18, starting a bull flag. We have higher lows. We have bull close. It's still a range bar. Bar 19 is breaking out. Bear bar kind of looks like a sell signal. You could say 3 pushes up. Bar 21. What? 18, 19, 20, 21. The bull body. It's a range bar with a bull close. Looks like there's support here. It's kind of, we want to see it go quicker. I remember seeing through this and thinking 19 was bad follow through. Excuse me. Thinking 20 was bad follow through. 22 is another bull bar, but it has a tail. It's not the best close. Kind of a bull flag with a double bottom. Bar 20, 33 is closing on a tie. Has more body than tail, so it's a bull trend bar. Bar 24 is where I got out my long, because I thought this was a wedge top. 3 pushes up, 1, 2, and 3. But the market goes a little more sideways, so bulls are definitely strong. The momentum for the bulls is strong today. Bears are not making money underneath bars. If you're going short here, you got to scalp out or you're trapped. Yeah, it's a very fast scalp too. Less than 1 bar, so you get in and get out. Bar 27 is a double top, wedge top, double top. Bar 28 is breaking out, so it's a bull flag, wedge top, and it has a bullish breakout with follow through 29. 30's another bear bar, so it's starting to become a small pullback trend. It's easy to see wedge tops. Here I keep extending it. 3 pushes up, but in a small pullback trend, everything looks like a wedge top. So you just have to buy and hold for a few more points. You can buy a small portion and hold and add if it goes more in your favor. 31, doji bar closing on its high. 32, follow through but bad close. It's a range bar with a bull body. 33, another range bar. These are all higher lows, so the market's trending higher. Here's a higher low, higher low, higher low, and then we have another bullish breakout. 34, 35, bad follow through. All these bull breakouts are getting bad follow through, but they keep going higher. So bulls are taking profits at new highs, and bears are getting trapped trying to go short. 36, 37, 3 bear bars, bad closes. Same situation here. Bulls buy this, and it gets the breakout. A small buy the close rally. I remember seeing this thinking, wow, I was out the markets. I didn't make a profit today. I had a little profit, but I was hitting out of trades thinking it was gonna reverse. So minus about $30. So what, 3 points, 4 points on the micros. This is my smallest losing day I've ever had. So it is what it is. 44, 45, 46. Bears are selling off, but they're not making money, so they're getting trapped in buying back shorts. Here, the market finally starts to go sideways, and we tag the EMA almost 4 hours into today, 10:45 PST. We go sideways. First touch the EMA. Remember what I mentioned on the 45-minute chart? 20 bars above the 20 bars above the EMA. First touch is a good buy. 20 bars above the EMA. First touch is a good buy. Price action is fractal. We're going sideways. Double bottom with here. Look, if you're trying to go short, think about the close of 52 and look at the close of 58. This is closing on the EMA. This is closing right above the EMA. If you want to see a breakout, you want to see like good closes. These are good closes, but it was a range bound trade. So look at these closes, See these closes far below the EMA. Consecutive closes below the EMA. Compared to today. No, just really large tails. Bears getting trapped. Bulls buying lows. 52 is testing the breakout of 33. Testing the breakout right here, and it reverses higher. Bulls go sideways, and again another leg with 60, 59. 59, bull bar, 60, 61, 62. Good close, 63. Not the best fall through, but they've had 4 bull bars, and bears are in the markets. It's going more sideways. Market cycles breakout. First opposite bar creates channel. They get that pullback, and the market starts channeling, and then from a channel we go range bound. So where are we in the market cycle? I think we're nearing the end of the channel phase. I think these 4 bars can get another leg too, and they get that right here. leg 1, pull back leg 2 with the high of 67. Go sideways again. Again, if you're trying to get short, look at the closes. Still, only tails below the EMA. So bears are not able to get any closes below the EMA today. That's bad for them if you're trying to get short. 70 sells off, reverses higher, outside bar, trapping bears that got short on 71 outside bar, trapping bears that got short on 70, 72, 73. More sideways price action. And then we get climactic here. Market goes up, big down, and we go side. This is range bound price action. Big up, big down. So there's your market cycle. Breakout. Here's the breakout. Let me delete. Breakout goes right here. Channel bar 2 starts the channel phase. And then we have a deep pullback. We start channeling higher. Don't really count legs and small pullback trends. Here is the start of the channel. I think here's the start of the range because it went big down, big up. And then here we see the range also taking place at the end of the day. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on the daily time frame tomorrow. If this is if the daily EMA is acting as resistance, or is it going to turn back into support and we test higher? Had a wedge bottom, somewhat expanding here. We could do it here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Expanding, bull flag, very deep pullback. There's the market cycle as well with the breakout on May 3rd, breakout. First opposite bar on May 16th in the sheath channel phase, deep pullback, and we start channeling, and now we're going range bound. So we take that same idea we apply on the daily chart and throw it on the 5-minute or on any time frame we're looking at, really. Breakout, channel, range bound price action. 52 is a pretty deep sell-off, but it's a bad close, so you could say that is the start of the range. Add these gaps in. We've been talking about gaps the last couple of days. So big gap up. That's good for the bulls. Bears are getting no gaps. Gap here. Gap here. When we see two gaps that open, we have to be thinking bull trend. We have to be thinking trend. In this case, it was a bull trend. So there's your two gaps in the open. Now we think until we see a strong reversal, buy for any reason. No gaps here. A lot of sideways price action, channeling. And then we get another gap here. So if we start to think about gaps, closing ranges, excuse me. Oh my gosh, I thought this was muted. It's not. So if you think about gap, channel, closing ranges, these gaps stayed open. Bar 34's gap closed. So maybe bar 34 was the start of the range. That would make sense because bar 52 tested the low of the range. So you see how gaps just give us a little more detail about when the range started. Of course, as the market's trending higher, we don't know the range started at bar 34, but looking back and then doing our price action analysis. Oh my God. Price action analysis, what a word. Yeah, so there's some gaps today. That's not a gap. Bull channel. Let's see where we are in the 45. Like this is a cool time to be trading, I think, because we're starting to understand the concept of the market cycle and what could really happen, you know? We could reverse lower, the EMA could be resistance, or this could be the bounce, trend line break, retest of the highs. Maybe when we have to see that. So for this, we have to see two strong closes above this gap here. So we close above the 50% level. If we get two closes above this gap, I'm just gonna make it very light. I'm just gonna leave that like that. But I only want it on this chart. How did I do that? Something like this. Okay. So if we get two closes above that gap, that's good for the bulls. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, I know I've been trying to push out these things to be about 10-15 minutes. I'm working on talking about the charts longer. These videos are helping. I hope they're helping you guys. Hope they're helping me out tremendously. I appreciate all the questions. Hit me up in the Discord. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for your support. Again, yeah, have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.